2023 Air Quarter you cannot miss in this video. I'm going to show you this coin that sold for a lot of money on eBay. I'm going to tell you exactly what you should be looking for if you find a rare 2023 quarter, how to sell it for the most amount of money. Let's hop right into this video. So I'll jump right into it. This coin sold on eBay for $510. There were 42 bids on the listing. Now let's look closely at some of these photos here to tell what's going on. So the description or the title of this listing says New Air 2023 Bessie Coleman American Woman Quarter Air on Plane. So the US Mint is producing a ton of these brand new coins, which is lowering the quality on some of them and causing there to be more errors on coins like this. So it is good to get some sort of magnification, whether that's a loupe or a USB microscope, to help you see clearly in certain areas of the coin. And now it's important to know that you don't want to zoom in too close, or else you'll start seeing things that are not actually there, which might have been the case on this coin, because when we're looking at the error on the airplane, I do not see anything going on that would trigger me to say, hey, this is an error and it's worth a lot of money. Now, a good rule of thumb when determining if your coin has an error on it or not is if the error is coming towards you versus away from you towards the coin. For example, if someone took a hard object and smashed the coin would be dented inward. Now, if there is some sort of obstruction or something wrong with the planchet, there's a good likelihood that the material would be coming towards you, if that makes sense. Now, if you're buying or selling on eBay like this person was, they were probably thinking, hey, I have a rare coin that I think might be worth money. I'm going to throw it on eBay and see what it brings. Now, the unfortunate reality is when a coin like this goes on eBay, there's a good chance that this person either did it themselves or they had a friend bid on the item to make it appear more valuable than it actually is. Now, hopefully, whoever ended up buying this coin did not get scammed and ripped off, and hopefully the sale was not final, but it's looking like on eBay it had a true sold listing for $510. So the sale did go through, but I don't know who it went through to. It could have went through to this seller's second eBay account or his friend's account, where they would just cancel the transaction. Now, if you do find a rare coin, the best way to go about selling it would likely be putting it on eBay with very clear photos at a high price, and then over time bringing that price down until someone buys it. And if no one buys it, that's a good sign for you to know that the coin is actually not worth what you think it might be worth. Another thing that I would recommend is going to a few coin shops and getting their opinion. Now, please respect their time and opinion, as most of these coin shops get a lot of these very rudimentary questions that they see day in and day out. Most people think they have a very rare coin when in reality they don't. I'm launching a coin and currency mastermind class that is coming soon. Click the link below to join the waitlist and I'll see you inside.